Hello students, this is the 7th lecture for SY BCom students, Business Statistics Paper 1. The name of the topic is Theory of Attributes, Examples and Problems on 3 attributes. See the problem statement. Among 800 students, 220 failed in Marathi, 300 failed in English, 150 failed in Hindi, 125 failed in both Marathi and English, 70 failed in both Marathi and Hindi, 60 failed in both English and Hindi, and 30 failed in all the 3 languages. Find the number of students. First part of the problem, failed in 2 languages. Second part of the problem, failed in only 1 language. Third part of the problem, failed in at least 1 language. So let us define the attributes. A denote failing in Marathi, B denote failing in English, C denote failing in Hindi. We are given that n is equal to 800, frequency of class A is 220, frequency of class B is 300, frequency of class C is 150, frequency of class AB is 125, frequency of class AC is 70, frequency of class BC is equal to 60, frequency of class ABC is equal to 30. To find number of students in the first part of the problem, failed in 2 languages, it means frequency of class AB gamma plus A beta C plus alpha BC. Second part of the problem, failed in only 1 language, it means frequency of A beta gamma plus alpha B gamma plus alpha beta C. In the third part of the problem, failed in at least 1 language, it means number of students failed in 1 language plus number of students failed in 2 languages plus number of students failed in 3 languages. In the first part of the problem, we have to find AB gamma, A beta C and alpha BC. So we will use method of dot operator to find AB gamma. So AB gamma can be written as AB into 1 minus C dot n. Now open the bracket, AB dot n minus ABC dot n. So we can write this as AB minus ABC. Second value which we want is A beta C, which can be written as A into 1 minus B dot C dot n. So it is nothing but AC dot n minus ABC dot n, which can be considered as AC minus ABC. Third part we want alpha BC. Now alpha can be written as 1 minus A into BC dot n. So BC dot n minus ABC dot n. So which is nothing but BC minus ABC. So therefore we will find all these values. Therefore number of students failed in 2 languages can be given as AB gamma plus alpha beta A beta C plus alpha BC. Now we will find AB gamma as AB minus ABC, which is equal to 125 minus 30. So the value is 95. A beta C can be calculated as frequency of class AC minus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 70 minus 30, which is nothing but 40. Third value alpha BC is nothing but BC minus ABC, so which is equal to 60 minus 30 can be written as 30. So the final answer of AB gamma plus A beta C plus alpha BC can be calculated as 95 plus 40 plus 30, which is equal to 165. Second part of the problem, number of students failed in only 1 language is written as A beta gamma plus alpha B gamma plus alpha beta C. Now we will use method of dot operator to find A beta gamma value. So A beta gamma can be written as A is positive attribute, beta can be written as 1 minus B, gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot n. Now we will open the brackets. A as it is, 1 into 1 becomes 1, B into 1 becomes B, C into 1 becomes C, and minus B into minus C becomes plus BC dot N. Now multiply by A also and open the bracket. We are getting it as A in dot N minus AB dot N minus AC dot N plus ABC dot N. So the final formula can be derived as frequency of class A minus frequency of class AB minus frequency of class AC plus frequency of class ABC. Now replace the values. We are getting the value as 220 minus 125 minus 70 plus 30. So the final answer is 55. So we will find the value of alpha B gamma as alpha can be written as 1 minus A, B is positive, we will write B as it is, and gamma is written as 1 minus C dot N. Now 1 minus A and 1 minus C, we will take both the brackets together, we will multiply the brackets, it becomes 1 minus A minus C plus AC dot B dot N. Now multiply by B dot N to every term in the bracket, it becomes frequency of class B minus frequency of class AB minus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class ABC. Replace all the values. We are getting the value as 300 minus 125 minus 60 plus 30. So the answer is 145. So frequency of class alpha B gamma is 145. Frequency of class alpha beta C can be calculated as alpha is written as 1 minus A, beta is written as 1 minus B dot C dot N. Now multiply the brackets. We are getting 1 minus A minus B plus AB dot C dot N. Multiply every term in the bracket with C dot N. The formula becomes frequency of class C minus frequency of class AC minus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class ABC. Replace the values. We can write it as 150 minus 70 minus 60 plus 30. So final answer of frequency of alpha beta C is nothing but 50. Therefore, number of students failed in only one language can be written as 55 plus 145 plus 50. So the final answer is 250. Third part of the problem. Number of students failed in at least one language is equal to number of students failed in only one language plus number of students failed in two languages plus number of students failed in three languages. So we already have calculated the values as 250 plus 165 plus 30. So the final answer becomes 445. Now we can solve the problem using the tabular form as. So there are total 9 columns. First 3 columns are written as A, second 3 columns are written as alpha, and third 3 columns are written as total. Second row we will number the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third row we will write B beta total, B beta total, B beta total. Then next row C gamma total. So we will name the cells. This cell can be given the name as A, B, C. This cell is A beta C. This is the total of AC. Alpha BC, alpha beta C, total of alpha C, total of BC, total of beta C, and total of C. This cell can be written as A, B gamma, A beta gamma, A gamma. So AC plus A gamma can be written as E. ABC plus A beta gamma, AB gamma can be written as AB. A beta C plus A beta gamma can be written as A beta, and AB plus A beta is nothing but E. because we know the relation between the columns as 1 plus 2 becomes 3, 4 plus 5 becomes 6, 7 plus 8 becomes 9. One more relation we have, 1 plus 4 is equal to 7. Column number 1 plus column number 4 is equal to column number 7. Column number 2 plus column number 5 is equal to column number 8. Column 3 plus column 6 becomes column 9. So these are the relations between the classes. So we can solve the last problem using the same concept. So we'll replace all the values in this table. The values which are given to us are ABC is equal to 30, A beta C is equal to 40. No, actually we are given that N is equal to 800. Frequency of class A is 220. Frequency of class AB is 125. Frequency of class B is nothing but 300. Frequency of class C is 150. So replace all the values in the given table, and according to the relation between the class columns, we can find the remaining values. So the next example can be written as, find out the remaining class frequencies given the following frequencies of the positive classes. So value of N is given as 12,000. Frequency of class A is 977. Frequency of class B is 1185. Sorry, 1185. Frequency of class C is 596. Frequency of class AB is 453. Frequency of class AC is equal to 284. Frequency of class BC is equal to 250. Frequency of class ABC is equal to 127. The remaining frequencies are alpha, beta, gamma, A beta, alpha B, A gamma, alpha C, alpha gamma, B gamma, beta C, beta gamma, alpha gamma, A beta gamma, A B gamma, A beta C, alpha BC, A beta gamma, alpha B gamma, alpha beta C and alpha beta gamma. So we know that alpha can be written as N minus A. Value of N is given as 12,000 and frequency of class A is 977. So frequency of class alpha can be written as 11,023. Similarly, beta can be written as N minus B. Value of N is 12,000. Frequency of class B is 1185. So frequency of class beta is nothing but 10,815. So gamma can be written as N minus C, which is equal to 12,000 minus 596, which is equal to 11,404. Now we will calculate AB gamma is equal to, apply the method of dot operator, AB into 1 minus C dot N, which can be written as AB dot N minus ABC dot N. So the formula becomes frequency of class AB minus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 453 minus 127. So the answer is 326. Next value, A beta C. Now beta can be written as 1 minus B C dot N. So AC dot N minus ABC dot N. So the formula becomes frequency of class AC minus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 284 minus 127. So the answer is 157. Next value, alpha BC. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A BC dot N. Now open the bracket. We are getting the formula as BC dot N minus ABC dot N, which is nothing but frequency of class BC minus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 250 minus 127. So the answer is 123. Now A beta gamma. A is positive attribute, we'll keep it as it is. Beta can be written as 1 minus B. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot n. Now multiply both the brackets 1 minus B and 1 minus C. The final bracket becomes 1 minus B minus C plus BC dot n. Multiply whole bracket with A dot n. So we are getting the formula as frequency of class A minus frequency of class AB minus frequency of class AC plus frequency of class ABC, which is nothing but 367. Now the next value, alpha, B, gamma. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A, B is positive, we can keep B as it is, and 1 minus C dot n. So multiply B with the first bracket, we get the product as B minus AB into bracket 1 minus C dot n. If we open the brackets, we get the formula as B minus AB minus BC plus ABC. So substitute all the values. So alpha B gamma is equal to 1185 minus 453 minus 250 plus 127. So the answer becomes 609. Next value, alpha beta C. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A, beta can be written as 1 minus B, and C dot n. So open the brackets, we will get the values as 1 minus A minus B plus AB into C dot n. So the formula becomes frequency of class C minus frequency of class AC minus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class ABC. So if we replace the values, the value of alpha beta C is equal to 596 minus 284 minus 250 plus 127. So the answer is 189. So next value which we want is A beta, which can be written as A into 1 minus B dot n. So if we open the brackets, we are getting the value as A dot n minus AB dot n. So this is nothing but frequency of class A minus frequency of class AB, which is equal to 977 minus 453. So the final answer of A beta becomes 524. Alpha B can be written as 1 minus A B dot n. So B dot n minus AB dot n. So the formula becomes frequency of class B minus frequency of class AB. So replace the values. Alpha B can be written as 1185 minus 453. So the final answer is 732. Next value, A gamma is equal to A into bracket 1 minus C dot n. So A dot n minus AC dot n. So frequency of class A minus frequency of class AC. So if we substitute the values, the final answer becomes 977 minus 284, which is equal to 693. Now alpha C. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A C dot n. So open the bracket. This can be written as C into n minus AC dot n. Is C dot n minus AC dot n. So the formula becomes frequency of class C minus frequency of class AC. So that is equal to 596 minus 284. So it becomes 312. Next value which we want is B gamma. B is positive, we will keep B as it is. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot n. So B dot n minus BC dot n. So frequency of class B minus frequency of class BC. So replace the values. It becomes 1185 minus 250. So answer of B gamma becomes 935. Then beta C. Beta C can be written as 1 minus B C dot n. So multiply by C, C dot n minus BC dot n. So frequency of class C minus frequency of class BC. So which is equal to 596 minus 250. So the answer is 346. see how to calculate alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma can be written as 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c dot n. Now if we open the brackets, we are getting the values as n minus frequency of class A minus frequency of class B minus frequency of class C plus frequency of class AB plus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class AC minus frequency of class ABC. So which is equal to 12,000 minus 977 minus 1,185 minus 596 plus 453 plus 284 plus 250 minus 127. So the answer becomes 10,102. Then we want to find alpha beta, which can be written as 1 minus a into 1 minus b dot n. So the formula becomes n minus frequency of class A minus frequency of class B plus frequency of class AB. So which is equal to 12,000 minus 977 minus 1,185 plus 453. So the answer of alpha beta is nothing but 10,291. Next answer which we want is alpha gamma. Alpha can be written as 1 minus a, gamma can be written as 1 minus c dot n. So open the brackets, the formula becomes n minus a minus frequency of class A minus frequency of class C plus frequency of class AC. So replace the values, so it becomes 12,000 minus 977 minus 596 plus 284. So answer is 10,711. Then beta gamma is nothing but 1 minus b into 1 minus c dot n. So open the brackets, the formula becomes n minus frequency of class B minus frequency of class C plus frequency of class BC. So value of beta gamma is nothing but 12,000 minus 1,185 minus 596 plus 250. So the final answer of beta gamma answer is 10,469.